not take any resources from the tree. These are not a parasitic plant. These are called epiphytes. Because epiphyte orchid, they have this kind of root. These are the aerial roots. So aerial roots to take moisture from the atmosphere and photosynthesis by own. They make their own foods. Yes. So they don't need soil actually. They just need only support. And look at this one. This shape looks like a bird. Dendrobium. It does. It looks like a bird shape.
Bird shape. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Now look at this one. This is Dendrobium ovatum. This one also orchid. It's a very tiny small flower, and we just planted on the normal wooden log. This is the dead wood log. Yeah, they do not any nutrition collect from the dead wood log because it's already dead. So everything they collect from the atmosphere. Look at this one. This shape looks like a shoe orchid. Dutchman shoe orchid. Yes, it does know. It looks like a shoe, and this is called dancing lady. Now you must be try to smell this one. That fragrance like a chocolate.
Ah, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा.
हाँ बहुत अच्छा फ्रेग्रेंस है चॉकलेट जैसा.
You chocolate. You chocolate baby.
And this one Bulbophyllum lobi.
Like that.
See, they don't require soil. We just planted in the blank pot. Here we can choose brick charcoal and coconut fiber. No need soil. This one Bulbophyllum lobi, and this petal it's like moving. See. And this is Catilia. Catilia is also known as Columbia national flower. And this one Phalaenopsis
Columbia
veni.
national flower.
Yes, but its species is different. And this shape looks like a starfish. And they have aerial roots, so everything they collect from the atmosphere. And these are Catilia. Catilia, there are so many colors actually. And this one, it looks like a small, tiny puppet doll shape. This is also Catilia. So some found in 400 species of orchid in Northeast, 900 in India, 1500, and all over the world 25,000 to 35,000 species. These are terrestrial. They're growing in the ground. This one Bulbophyllum nasturtianum. See this one. This shape looks like a dancing lady, like a face to arm. She wearing a beautiful gown. It looks like a dancing lady. So
Dancing lady.
Yeah, this common name is called dancing lady, and this one Silogene viscosa.
The flower name is dancing lady.
Yes.
Okay,
and this
बहुत
one
अच्छा.
Dendrobium khanhoense. And we planted in the pot, so we can use bricks, charcoal, coconut fiber. So we just spray a little bit water. Yes, because they easy to retain moisture. Look at this one. The shape looks like a cute puppy kind of shape.
Puppy.
But this common name is called lady slipper. Lady shoe जैसा लगता है उसलिए lady slipper common name है. ये monkey face जैसा. ये वाला पार्ट ना वो कथकली मेल डांसर जो होते हैं ना उसका मार्क्स पहना हुआ है वैसा भी लगता है.
Kathakali dance. Monkey face.
You take close up for front. Yeah, it looks like a monkey face. And this is called Vanda bicolor. Look at this flower shape.
Name?
The Vanda bicolor. So these are natural orchid actually. And here we just trying to preserve. And this one Dendrobium parcum. See this flower? It looks like they show their tongue.
Tongue.
Every tongue.
Tongue.
Like a jeep. Jeep जैसा लग रहा है.
Inga, you speak?
No, that shape looks like that.
Your tongue is बहुत अच्छा. Sharma.
Just only for fun, ma'am.
Okay, yes. And these are carnivorous plants.
போட்டியாவே வந்துறீங்க சார்.
So these are the carnivorous plants. They eat insect actually.
Huh?
These are carnivorous plants. ये insect खाते हैं.
Insect eater.
हाँ, insect eating plants. Pitcher plants. These are pitcher plants, Drosera, and we have also Venus flytrap, but it's a very small, tiny one. Venus flytrap.
Don't touch.
Yes.
Yes, come, quick.
This is the Venus flytrap. When insect enter in this leaf, so this leaf will be closed.
Okay.
Yeah, they eat insects. So all these are carnivorous plants. In this picture, insect go inside, they're stuck on the picture. चिपक जाएगा और उसका पूरा न्यूट्रिशन वो ले लेगा. So these are carnivorous plants. ये एपिडेंड्रम, इसका ये पेटल देखिए ये जोकर या क्लाउन जैसा लगते हैं. See this petal.
Yes.
Joker or like a clown shape.
Joker.
Yes. See this
Joker
petal.
flower?
Yeah. See. And this one Dendrobium miyaki.
Smell.
No, they don't have any. This one also Dendrobium. This is called dancing lady. See this dancing lady.
Dancing lady.
Yes. And this one, this shape looks like a spider. Oh, sorry, white fairy orchid.
Spider.
No, this one white fairy orchid. These are the spider orchid. The shapes looks like
This
a
is
spider.
a name?
Oncidium braccia. It looks like a spider shape. And look at this one, Miltonia.
Miltonia.
And these are also dancing lady orchids.
Dancing lady.
Yes. The dancing lady. These are giganteous again. See this petal. So orchid have always 6 petals. So that is the characteristics of orchid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 similar, 1 modified petal. This is called lip or labellum. So this modified petal, it looks like a joker or like a clown face. See this one also. This one also dancing lady. And this one pineapple orchid. This is the pineapple orchid. The shape is like a small pineapple shape. Yeah, that's why this common name is called pineapple. And this is world's largest orchid, Grammatophyllum speciosum. This is native from Indonesia, but still it's a baby. Yes, when it's fully grown in nature, this plant height is 25 feet. And these are butterfly orchid. Don't touch, sir. These are Phalaenopsis butterfly orchid. The shape looks like a butterfly. See, this is called butterfly orchid, moth orchid. And this one Cymbidium.
Cymbidium, huh?
Yes, Cymbidium orchid. Now look at this one. Look at the top in the center.
Top?
Yeah, this is called staghorn fern. Staghorn fern. It's not an orchid. Yeah, these are again butterfly. And we eat also orchid. See this plant, vanilla. Yes, so vanilla is an orchid actually. This plant is vanilla. So look at those beans. So flavor extract from the vanilla beans, vanilla pods.
Vanilla flavor, huh?
Yes, so vanilla is an orchid actually.
Original flavor. The vanilla ice cream சாப்பிடுவாங்க.
Yes, this pod, flavor extract from this pods. But after, during the month of blooming, that time we can apply manual pollination. So after pollination, fertilization, now it's becoming a fruit. So again, we pluck the beans, ferment it, sun dry. We get a black beans and flavor extract from the black beans after processing the beans. This is Vanda, Lemilla, and this one Vanda orchid, butterfly. The shape looks like a butterfly. Yes. And these are Coleogyne viscosa. Viscosa? Yes, viscosa. All they have scientific name, only few orchids have common name. This is also Vanda. Look at this color. This one Dendrobium nobile. This is the state flower of Sikkim.
Sikkim.
Yes, Dendrobium nobile. This is also Vanda. This one Chrysoglossum ornatum. And this one Dendrobium rankamal.
Hibiscus name.
No, these are orchid actually, orchid. Look at this dancing lady.
Dancing lady, huh?
Yeah, the shape like a face, 2 arms. She wearing a beautiful gown within wings like a fairy. So this is called dancing lady, and that is the most common one, which is everybody know this orchids. Purple and white one. These are the hybrid one. This one Dendrobium kingianum. This one Vanda. And all these are terrestrial ground orchid. They're growing on the ground. This one. This is all main orchid. This is butterfly one. This one is Pathoglottis and it's a terrestrial ground orchid. These are anthurium. Normal wooden log. We just planted on the wooden log only for support, and we just spray little bit water. We spray like a sprinkle, just like a spray. Water.
This name, this name. This name. Madam, this name.
Anthurium, flamingo flower.
Huh?
Anthurium.
Anthurium.
These are not an orchid. Orchid have always 6 petals in the flower, and 5 are similar. 1 is modified petal. Fiber. Yes. And look at this one, Dendrobium. These are also Catalia. Wait, I will show you. Now smell vanilla. This is the original vanilla. This is the original vanilla.
Ah, original vanilla. Wait, wait.
அந்த செடியோட இதுதான் காஞ்சி
வாசம் செமையா இருக்கா வெனிலா
Original vanilla ice cream. बहुत अच्छा.
Yes.
This is the one. Vanilla. Vanilla ice